Okay, so we got our skid steer here. It doesn't have a cab on it, but we put some plexiglass on the sides here to keep the wind off me in the winter here, but it never had a door, so we got lucky and found a door on an auction here, online auction, and it came with the mounting bracket. A new door is like $1,500, and I was hoping to get this one a little cheaper than I got it, but it was still like $400 and some dollars. But anyway, it's still better than paying full retail for it, I guess. So we got the door here. It didn't come with a shock, which we ordered, or the bolts to put it on. So I bought those yesterday and ordered the shock. So that's not going to be here yet. Should be here in a couple days. And then it also, the kit would have had the cover on the top. So this one doesn't have that. And it's actually not available to order even from New Holland anymore. So we'll have to get a piece of plexiglass and put over that. But we're going to put that frame on, and I'll have to move the horn because it's kind of right on the front. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that yet, but anyway, got the door on. It was more of a pain peeling off all the safety, or there's some paper and stuff on it to make it so you didn't scratch it. So we got it on, and there's a bunch of bolts that go around the outside that hold it on, and so hopefully she keeps some of the wind out at least. We'll probably need a windshield wiper at some point, and put a heater in here would be real nice. So those are kind of the next steps, but at least we got a door on it anyway. So we'll talk to you later. So we just got done scraping up the manure, and there's what the door looks like now. So I guess that's the way it works. Cows don't seem to care though. They're just wanting to know when they can eat again. So we got her scraped up, and it was nice to not be wearing the manure this time, I guess. So they're all out waiting for me to get out of their way so they can come back and eat and then go lay down. But scraped up the freestall barn, the old freestall barn. It's cleaned up good. And now we're gonna go spread the load of manure. Got her loaded up here. I usually haul about one of these a day, a little bit more than one of these a day. I think it's right around 500 bushel or so. So here it is, pretty full. Better get the gate closed, otherwise we're gonna be chasing some cows around. So we're just heading out to spread that load of manure right now. You can see it's fall here, or I guess it'd be almost winter. But we're spreading manure on the steepest ground right now because there's no snow cover, and we want to make sure and get it covered before snow hits or early in the spring, because you can't put manure on frozen ground and not snow cover, otherwise it runs off, which isn't good. So right now we're covering this field back here near the woods. You can see it's just about done. And then we'll head over the hill. There's no shortage of hills around here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell. Thanks a lot.